Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through on how you can upload your book on Amazon KDP. But before we get started, I want to make sure that you have two things ready. The first one is well designed book cover and a properly formatted manuscript. So if you have these two, you are good to go. But if you don't have them, no worries, because I have dropped a link to another video where I walk you through on how to create both the cover page and the manuscript. So if you are ready, let's jump right away into KDP and publish your book. So now we're in Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Amazon. And the first thing you need to do is to, sign up. So if you don't have an account, you go here and join. It's very simple, self-explanatory. You don't need anybody. It will just follow the prompt, and you get everything. So let's sign in because I have an account. So so now we're in. Um, so we go to the first place you go is to say create. You go to create. When you come to create, you will see they have ebook, Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover. So the series page and all that. So the first one you let's do first is let's do ebook first. So we click on ebook. It will take us to this page. So the first thing we do here is English. Choose the primary language your book is written. So it's written in English. And then you move on, you put the title of the book. So our title is Money on Repeat. So the here you can see that the subtitle is optional, but we can say the digital product resale guide. So money on repeat, the digital product resale guide. That's the subtitle of the book. So we'll move on. So if it's in series, you know, so number one, you are the book is in series, so you can add the series. Uh, yeah. So here edition. If the book has a first edition, second edition, so here we're going to put Jeff Tasimole, the author, and then we'll move on to the next which is people that contributed. So your wife, your friends, you can add them here. Yeah. So we'll go to the description. So how do we get our description? So here you can go to ChatGPT to write it, then you edit and then you add it here. So let's do that quickly and see. So the next thing we do is we go to ChatGPT, and when we're in ChatGPT, we put a prompt that will give us the best description on our book. So here we say, write me a bestseller book description for the book title Money on Repeat, the digital product research guide. You continue that you want to post it on Amazon KDP that will make my book must read, use SEO, and include critical keywords to ensure it is searchable. Also add call to action. Then let's see what ChatGPT will give us in seconds. So this is the result of you know what ChatGPT are giving us now. So we copy this. We're going to edit it. Okay, so we're going to edit it, make it our own. Yeah. So now we go back to our KDP and continue. So we will take our um, the description of our book to this place. We'll put it here. From the ChatGPT, we edit it. We touch it because you know I keep telling people that ChatGPT is a machine. We're not going to rely on ChatGPT. So, but ChatGPT will give us a very good assistant, to help us. So when we're done with that, so we'll move on to the next. So the next is publish rights. Yes, you own it. You put there. Here talks about whether there is any social um, explicit image. We said no. What is the age? Then it depends on the book you're publishing. Then you can pick age. It all depends on you what you want. And then primary marketplace is Amazon. It's Amazon, and the category. If you go here, business and money, business development, small business. So you go down and save it. You save the category here. Yeah, so we save the category. This is our keyword. So you can go to ChatGPT, you can go to Amazon and check the books that are doing well and use their keyword. So we'll come down here. Yes, we are ready. We save and then we continue. So here we go to the next step, and the next step is to upload our book. So first of all, you have to go to upload your manuscript. So this one is money on repeat, money on repeat. So we have successfully uploaded it. So but if you click here, upload, you go and then you upload here. So the next step now, um, after that is we go to okay, yeah, we go to the cover page. So you upload the cover page of your book if you have one. Then you come down here. They'll ask you if did you use AI. You say yes because you use ChatGPT. If any of the image is from generated AI, you can put it here. Um, Amazon KDP is not penalizing you for using ChatGPT. They just want to be informed that you use ChatGPT. So here you go to the review. You click here. You review your book to see if everything is proper. Then the next thing is ISBN. You don't need this because if you have, you can put it. If you don't have, Amazon KDP will provide one for you. So after that, the next step is you have to save and continue. So the next step now is we go to the pricing. But before the pricing, we click on enroll my book in KDP Select. You choose all territories worldwide, if that is what you want. If you don't want that, you can choose individual territory. Primary marketplace, you say Amazon. We've already click on that. Then we'll go to the pricing. So it depends if you want to do 35% or you do 70%. So if you do 70% and you put $5, you can put because I do from $3 to $9, So it depends on how much you want to price a book. Then you can put it there. So here you publish your book here. So, but let's go to print on demand. So when we come back here, we have so many options. You can say create paper bag. So we go here. So you find out that every other thing that we have already had is already there. So you put this is the author. So here we have the contributors. If you want, we don't have. They are all auto-populated. These are the things you don't need to start typing again. You go on, you go down. Yeah, the same thing. No. Here, social split image title. No. Yeah. So come back. Go back here. This is Amazon. You can choose a category again because that's how it works. So when you are publishing this, they need a new category. Does your book classify as any of the type, low content, large? I don't want to click on that, but if that's what you want, you can do that. So publish date and then release my book. So here you continue, you save it. Okay, let me give one category here. So here, yeah, we go to the KDP ISBN. So you can take one from here. If you have one, you can add your own. It's free in KDP. Then we'll move down to the print option. Yeah, black and white with interior white paper. So that is what the one we choose. What size? The trim is 5 by 8 inches. No bled. Yeah, we have glossy, we have matte. I prefer matte. But some people may like glossy. So same thing. You upload the manuscript and then get the cover page. Have a video on how to do paperback cover. So you do that and then yeah, you go here, you upload it and you ask it again. Yes, you select some section, chat GTP, chat GTP. So you save. None, 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 none. Then you can review your book and check. So if there's anything wrong, you can correct it. Then let's save. So here we upload the cover page, the manuscript. We put everything together. Then we Um, here, yes, it doesn't matter. Can say this chat GTP, chat GPT. Yeah, then um, here he said none. Here he said none. That's fine. And then you launch preview. After the preview, you put your price like we've done before, and then you publish. It takes some time. The KDP team will review it. If there is error, they will let you know. Then from there, after 72 hours, your book will go public. So that is basically how you can upload your book. Then from there, after 72 hours, your book will go public. So that is basically how you can upload your book. Thank you so much for watching. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. If you have any question, please drop it in the comments. I always read them. And if you are ready to start making money with your skills, check out the links in the description below for free tools and resources to help you get started. Till next time, like I always say, keep creating, keep learning, and keep building your dream life one step at a time. See you in the next video. Bye.